Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey guys. Hello, beautiful faces, beautiful subscribers, beautiful. If it's your first time watching my videos, you should really go subscribe to my channel. Yeah, you should. Yeah, subscribe. Like, that's all I can tell you, sis. Just subscribe. So basically today, what we doing today is I'm gonna show y'all how I did it. That sounds so good. Whatever. It don't matter. Anyways, I'm gonna show y'all how I did these box buttons. They're so fucking, I think it's really cute. Y'all can drop y'all opinions in the comments, or y'all can DM me or Snapchat me and tell me what y'all think about it. But yeah. So this is my first time trying to blend hair, and sis, if you debating on trying to blend hair, other than that, let's get right into this video. Okay guys, as you can see, I already started on my hair. Sorry, I recorded it, but somehow all my shit got deleted. What the fuck? So I had to re-edit and everything. But it don't matter because y'all still getting the video. Period. Okay, so first thing you want to do is just start off with freshly washed hair. I wash my hair. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is put jam or whatever product you have onto your hair around like the edges, the perimeter of it, and you want to just brush it through, detangle your hair, or just detangle it. So I wanted my braids around my edges to be like positioned a certain way, and my hands was just not cooperating yesterday, so I had to put rubber bands around my edges so they could like sit, the braid could sit the way that I wanted it to sit. Like my braids were like sitting at the bottom of my box, if y'all know what I mean. But remember to not place the rubber band too tight because you do not want to pull out your edges, sis. You don't want to pull out your edges, so do not place the rubber band super tight because it's going to pull your hair even more when you begin to put the braid on. Okay, so this is the part where I began to braid. I basically have 3 legs. In the middle leg, I have my natural hair under the middle leg, and then I go under it with the first leg, then the second leg under the first leg, and then the middle leg under the first leg. I don't know if y'all see where I'm going with this, but I'm gonna place like the y'all. Don't worry if you didn't understand this one. Later in the video, I'll insert more clips of me starting the braid off, and I'll have more techniques, so just keep watching. Okay, with this technique, everything still applies with the legs from the last clip and everything. But you have your index finger and your thumb. Whatever is in your index finger and your thumb is going under. And you will be grabbing with your middle finger. So it's under, grab, under, grab, under, grab. And you're going from side to side. So I will try to explain. Okay. Right here you can see I'm on the left side and I'm going under and I'm grabbing with my middle finger from the right side. So now I'm on the right side. whatever's in my thumb and index finger on the right side is going under. And you're grabbing it with your middle finger from the left side. So now you're on the left side, and whatever's in your left side's index finger and thumb is going under, and you're grabbing with your right finger's middle finger. And you just under, grab from the other side, and you just keep going under, grab, under, grab. I don't know if these techniques are making sense to y'all. If they make sense, please comment, let me know. If I don't know if I'm explaining it right or Okay, sometimes when it's like a really big section with thick hair in it, I split my natural hair into two and just put it on the first leg and the middle leg, and I just do the under grab method. So yeah, just to let y'all know what I was doing there and didn't leave y'all in the blind, letting you know.